Today, we will turn a seashell into a trinket tray that can also be used as a ring holder during a wedding ceremony. Use metallic markers to color the back of the shell. I am using a blue marker and a gold color marker, but you could choose different colors. Then, turn the shell over and start decorating the inside of the shell. Draw 2 golden hearts in the middle. Color the area around the hearts using a blue metallic marker. Create a border around the blue area using a gold metallic marker. Fill the remaining space using a blue metallic marker. Draw golden stars, or dots, over the blue area. Use a silver-colored marker to give the hearts a border. Add a silver line near the edge of the shell. Draw a few more stars, or dots, over the blue area.